Mr. and Mrs. Bell. How are you guys doing today?
Doing wonderful.
Doing
Thank
great.
You.
I see you got your beautiful roof.
That's right.
Yeah. We got our metal roof in 2 weeks. I think the lady came out, gave us the information. We got a follow-up call later on, and then a follow-up call the week of. A guy called us up on a Monday. He says, we'll be out Friday. We looked at the weather looked great, and they showed up and they did great. You can...
Yep, 8:30 knocking on the door, and these were the persons that before, they even got here before the parts were, and they got up there, prepared the roof.
Now, did y'all have a marketing rep out here, or did you have a salesperson?
Marketing.
That's right.
And
She did both jobs.
that was, I think you had,
Diane,
Diane Smith.
okay.
and she was wonderful.
She knew her stuff, and that, answered all our questions.
Everything.
Before we even knew we had questions.
We even touched the materials.
Yeah.
She let us see them in her display case.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I love
She went
to
over
hear
through
that.
all the pros and cons,
Yeah.
everything. Very satisfied.
It was a very, I'd say, no pressure or low pressure. I mean, it was just very calm.
great.
Everything worked,
Awesome.
no hassles, nothing.
I appreciate you allowing me to come out and visit your house and visiting you. Y'all are great. And, we just hope that if you know anybody needs a roof, you'll recommend
We would
Diane.
definitely would.
Definitely.
Couldn't be more satisfied.
In the installation crew, I mean, they were like a pit crew. I mean, and when they got through, they walked around the house, they picked up anything they found. They had a magnet.
everything.
Yeah.
Everything.
Good.
Very professional, very good. Very fast.
Welcome to the Gator family,
We
folks.
love the Gators.
We do.
All right.